know they use muscle fight spiritual battle. When you say, God, show me, follow this person, go and follow that person. Ask God well. Oh. At times, devil they give revelation. Remember what I told you. Familiarity kill anointing. Ndị Kenya say, ebe onye jedome kechie jedome. Onye kwechie ekwe. So when you agree, your God will agree. There is no miracle without the mind. So before things happen, solution was there. So always keep to instruction. God reveal, God redeem. So my prayer that whatever that God revealed to me, to my people, it will not take life. Amen. Remember, you receive this speed, a work for you when you cooperate. Not just giving person prophecy. After we deliver the message to you, we will go back to the closeness with God. That is the secret. And pray. If you are part of Christ in me, anytime message come, they say do this, key to it. So my own to pray, your own to cooperate. God bless you. In the name of Jesus. Heaven will see us through. Prepare to cross over. God will surely tell us what to do. So we will not use carry over to cross over to 2025. That is my prayer for you in the name of Jesus. So prepare yourself and be ready in the name of Jesus. God bless you.